Mark the back of the sheet where the contact adhesive needs to be applied and turn back 1/2 of the sheet. Apply the contact adhesive to the cove former and wall using a brush. The adhesive should also be applied to the corresponding section of the back of the floor that is going to be self-coved. Leave the adhesive to dry while applying the main adhesive to the floor area. In this instance, we are using Altro Fix 365. And it should be applied to the subfloor using a small serrated 1 mm by 4 mm notched trowel. And try to limit the trafficking of the floor while the adhesive is still fresh. Place back the first half of the sheet into the adhesive, following the edge of the previously adhered sheet. The second half of this sheet can now be turned back and the process repeated. Expel all trapped air with the use of a flat wooden or perspex trowel. Trim off any excess floor, using a hook blade under the capping strip to get a neat flush edge. Tuck the floor under the capping strip. Repeat the process for other sheets of flooring.